Hello everyone, it's Yam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yam and I make videos about beauty, lifestyle, travel, weekend vlogs, and personal finance. Today we are going to talk about credit cards. If you're still a student and you want to have or you want to own a credit card to experience buying something and paying for it every month, then this video is for you. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell beside it to be notified whenever I upload a new video. When and how do you apply for a student credit card? Student credit cards could help young adults establish credit and good financial habits for the future. Before applying and using a student credit card, it's important to understand how the application process works and how you plan on keeping with payments to avoid debt. What is a student credit card? A student credit card is a type of credit card designed and marketed towards students and recent graduates by banks and financial institutions. Student credit cards typically have a lower credit limit and sometimes have high credit approval rates for students with little to no credit history and limited incomes. How do you apply for a student credit card? The process for applying for a student credit card may vary depending on your age and your current financial standing. What are the benefits of a student credit card? A student credit card could help college students make convenient purchases and establish credit. Before using your credit card for purchases, it's important to understand how interest and how long it may take you to pay down your balances. You also have the opportunity to participate in a rewards program through which you can earn cashback or reward points. Additionally, many student credit cards offer rewards geared toward students. Before you compare credit cards, find out what types of credit cards you can apply for as a student. We have supplementary credit cards, secured credit cards, and low-income credit cards. The easiest way to get a credit card as a student is to ask a parent or to ask your parents to apply for a supplementary card for you. Even if you're under 18 years old, your cardholder relative can get you the same benefits of his or her credit card. Note that you'll be sharing the credit limit with the primary cardholder, so be careful with your spending. Secured credit cards. If you have a bank account or a debit card where you store your savings from allowances, call your bank and apply for a secured credit card from them. They won't ask you for income documents, but they will instead set your credit limit depending on your deposit. And the credit limit is usually 80 to 85%, or they'll grant 85% credit limit from your total deposit. So for example, you have 15,000, they will grant 12,000 or more or something like that. So the more you save, the more your credit limit increases. Low-income credit cards. If you have a part-time job, you can apply for a low-income credit card. Since you're earning a small income, you can easily meet the requirements of the most basic credit cards out there. Plus, these credit cards usually have little to no additional fees. How do you apply for a student credit card if you're under the age of 21? First, you have to research about the types of student credit cards for your needs. Next would be you have to learn about the application requirements. Third one would be you have to obtain relevant proof that you are enrolled in school. Number 4, gather cosigner information and proof of income. A cosigner is responsible for making missed or defaulted payments on the account. It is a person over the age of 21 with a steady income who takes responsibility for your late or missed payments. And lastly, number 5, you have to submit your application with all the necessary documents. How do you apply for a student credit card if you're over the age of 21? It's the same as the under the age of 21, the first, second, fourth, and fifth step. But the third one would be you have to obtain relevant proof of personal income or assets. To apply for a student credit card, you may need to show proof of a steady income from a part-time job or a full-time job, or have a cosigner join you in the application process. Some credit card companies have specific requirements on what constitutes a 2 or 4-year college or university, so be sure to clarify these requirements first before applying for a student credit card. That's all for today's video, guys. My final take on getting a student credit card is that it's not bad to apply for a student credit card if you want to have one and you want to start using it as early as possible, but always do your own research first about this and do not rush yourself on getting a credit card, and always have a backup plan. And regarding a backup plan, I mean the emergency fund. You have to have an emergency fund that's 3 to 6 months worth of your monthly income if you have an income as a student. And number 2 is that get insurance. Get yourselves insured first. But again, if you're still a student and you just want to experience or manage your cash flows, use your student credit card wisely and use it to your advantage. I personally haven't tried getting one before. Back when I was in college, I only acquired debit cards from BPI. Yes, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button, comment down below your questions about credit cards, or if you have video suggestions, just leave it there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to ring the notification bell beside it to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This has been Yamyam saying goodbye and see you next time.